Very good morning to all my dear children. In today's English class, we are going to give revision for our class test. As I already informed you that I will conduct a test in this week. Okay, so now from the test only I'm gonna give revision. So I want everyone to take your English book. So before giving revision, one thing I just want to remind you. Uh, we have not written all the synonyms which they have given in the book in our classwork. Only selected synonyms we have written in our classwork. But here I don't have any classwork, so I will give I will just read out, or I will just teach all the synonyms which it is there in the book. But you people have to learn whatever you have written in our classwork. Okay? Now everyone, take page number 91. Take page number 91. So we are going to start from the rescue lesson. We are going to start from the rescue lesson. Rescue, and then after rescue, the treasure hunt, a fishy story, moon, and then spring poem. Okay, first one. Hobbled with ropes. Tied together with ropes. Hobbled with ropes means tied together with ropes. Hacked at. Hacked at means cut roughly. Hacked at means cut roughly. Frayed look. Frayed look. That means worn out look. Worn out look. Now next, page number 92. Yes. In page number 92, you are having offered no resistance, did not struggle. Offered no resistance, did not struggle. Taken no interest in the proceedings, was not interested in what was going on. Taken no interest in the proceedings, was not interested in what was going on. Squealed, squealed, made a high pitched sound. Squealed, made a high pitched sound. Next, page number 93. In hot pursuit, following quickly. In hot pursuit, following quickly. Emitted a terrible wail. Emitted a terrible wail means screamed or cried out. Screamed or cried out. Murder in his eyes. Here in this lesson, that means a look of extreme anger. Shambles means mess or wreck. Next, gauged its own strength. Understood how strong it was. Gauged its own strength. Understood how strong it was. Rammed, crashed deliberately. Rammed, crashed deliberately. Next, so till this, the rescue lesson gets over. Next, we'll turn to the page. Okay, next we'll turn to the page number 98. Okay, first one, regal state, that means royal manner. I don't know whether you can able to see this, so I'll just show you. Regal state, royal manner. Attendant nobles, high ranking helpers. Attendant nobles, high ranking helpers. Countless myriads in large numbers and great variety. Countless myriads in large numbers and great variety. Mien, appearance. Mien, appearance. Her dignity. So in this lesson, the moon's royal status. Her dignity means the moon's royal status. Her lustrous eye. So here the moon shining light. Okay, her lustrous eye means the moon shining light. The light of theirs, the light of the moon's attendant nobles. The light of theirs, the light of the moon's attendant nobles. Glance, quick look. Glance, quick look. Okay. Now turn to the page 101. 101. The treasure hunt. Squire. Title given to an English landowner in old days. So in olden days, a landowner name we used to call them as squire. Buccaneers, pirates. Okay, buccaneers, pirates. Now turn to the next page. Okay, guinea. British gold coin no longer in use. Guinea. British gold coin no longer in use. A pushing lad, a fearless and ambitious boy. A pushing lad, a fearless and ambitious boy. No mistake here, without doubt. No mistake means here without doubt. Musket, a rifle like gun. Musket, a rifle like gun. Next, page number 103. Wretch, here a wicked person. Wretch, a wicked person. Meekly, humbly or timidly. Meekly, humbly or timidly. Duskily flickered over. Duskily flickered over. Faintly lit. Duskily flickered over. Faintly lit. Now we'll move on to the next lesson, a fishy story, page number 107. First one, inn. Inn means a small hotel in a village where travelers can eat and stay. Small hotel in a village where travelers can eat and stay. Trout, a large freshwater fish. Trout, a large freshwater fish. Monstrous, here extremely large. Okay, monstrous means extremely large. 18 pounds 6 ounces means a little more than 8 kilograms. Minnow means a small fish used as a bait to catch larger fish. Minnow, a small fish used as a bait to catch larger fish. Now, next. So, page number 108, carrier. Here, porter. Fly, a feather-light artificial object that looks like an insect and is used as a bait to catch fish. Fly means it looks like a artificial object. Okay, like an insect, but it is not a real insect, artificial insect. It's been used as a bait to catch fish. Next, be much obliged. Be very grateful. Be much obliged. Be very grateful. Next, in page number 109, plaster of Paris. A hard white substance commonly used by doctors to set broken bones or by artists to make statues. Okay, plaster of Paris, a hard white substance commonly used by doctors to set broken bones or by artists to make statues. Next, we'll move on to a spring poem, page number 113. First one, mute, quiet or silent. Mute means quiet or silent. Dale, valley. Dale, valley. Merrily, joyfully. Merrily, joyfully. Dusk crow means here calls or cries. dusk roamings here, calls or cries. Okay, children. So for your English class test, I'm gonna give you synonyms from three prose, three proses and two poems. Okay. What are the three proses? The rescue lesson, that is elephant lesson. Then the treasure hunt lesson, and the third one is a fishy story. And then poems, the moon poem and a spring poem. So three proses and two poems. From these five I'm gonna conduct test. Please prepare well. So once again I'm just reminding you, I'm not gonna ask all the things. I'm just going to ask whatever you have written in your classwork for these proses and poems. Okay children, don't waste your time and learn. Thank you all.